Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I just hope that you all are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to do the makeup for the dry skin people, and if you're interested, so guys, please keep on watching. So the first thing you need to keep in your mind before starting the makeup or before applying the makeup, that the three steps that are the foremost, and that is CTM. CTM means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Like these three steps are important in all the skin type people. Even you are oily skin people, even you are normal, even you are like dry skin, even your combination. Any skin type requires these three steps. As if we are talking about the dry skin people today, and the dry skin people need some extra moisturizer because their skin are like very dry and the product absorbs like in the skin very easily. We have to cut all of the dryness from our face before doing the makeup, because it will in last it will make our face patchy and cakey. like मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा पैची लगेगा और बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, ऐसे लगेगा आपने बहुत ज़्यादा बेस लाइक अपने फेस पर लगाया हुआ है if you will not follow these three steps. So today we are going to do that, and I have done the cleansing. Now the second step is using the toner, and for the toner I am using this Kaya purifying toner, as it will just ensure that कोई भी आपके फेस में pores होंगे तो ये pores close कर देगा, and it will not make any like makeup enter in your skin, और कोई भी आपको breakouts वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं होंगे. Just let it sit in your skin for some time. Next step is moisturizing our face, and for that I'm using this PAC Aqua Blast moisturizer. It is the tip that any skin type people can use the water based moisturizer, even your dry, normal, combination or oily skin. You can use water based moisturizer on your face, and I am just loading the moisturizer on my face. First I'm just rubbing in my palms so that my product gets activated. Now I'm going to apply in my skin. Now you can just use the moisturizer that just suits your face. It is not like that you have to use the water based moisturizer. ऐसा नहीं है, whatever moisturizer suits you, you can use that. Detail of the every product will be in the description box, so that if you want to buy any of the product, you can easily purchase it. So I will try to link the products in the description box, as well as moisturize your neck too, because it is the part of our body and we have to apply the foundation on our neck too. So ये ना के बिल्कुल ही dry लगे आपकी neck, as I don't apply the foundation on my neck because my neck is on the sensitive side, so I avoid using that. But it is like a mandatory step to apply the foundation on your neck, because this and this color will be not matchable, so पता लगेगा you have applied the something on your face. And now I'm using this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and I'm taking little bit of this because it just suits my skin well. I just nowadays I am just avoiding to use the oils on my face, like the essential oils. Earlier I used to like use a lot, but now I am avoiding that because मुझे ऐसे लगने लग गया था my face is like my foundation gets oxidized very easily after applying that. Our three steps are done, like cleansing, toning and moisturizing are done. Now to lock all the like prep on our face, I'm using this Smashbox Prime Water. like ये ऐसा भी होगा अगर कोई भी फेस पर पोर हो वो भी क्लोज कर देगा, और जितना भी हमारा प्रेपिंग है वो भी क्लोज कर देगा. Just using a little bit of that. So as we have just moisturized our face and we have left with our lips, I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So I'm taking a little bit on my lips so that whenever I will apply my lips doesn't look that much chappy. My lips are done and now our like full face is done. Now I will wait for some time कि मेरा जो भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट अपने फेस पर अप्लाई किया वो थोड़ा सा मेरे स्किन पर सेटल हो जाए. Whenever I will apply my makeup, it doesn't slip off, and I will wait for some time. Until then we will do our brows. And for my brows I'm using this PAC Super Brow Cream. and the number 02, and I'm using the spoolie and the angular brush. My brows are literally paining till now because I have done with the threading today, and you can definitely see the bumps on my face, like this part. First I will just comb my brows to just settle it on its place, so that I can have the idea where I need to fill. Like I just need to fill the arcs. So whenever you are just doing your brows, do it very patiently, because this like this area just frame your face. So take a time and do it patiently. My brows are done. So today we will just focus on our base. Like eyes नहीं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. We will do our base only. To say, if you are just using the right technique on your face, then layering is not that much bad. Matlab, it will look flawless. And if you're not using the right technique, then the foundation and concealer can also look the cakey. The first step I'm going to use is the color correcting, and for that I'm using this Chaparral. I don't know the pronunciation of this. Chaparral, I guess it is the concealer palette, and I'm using the shades. I'm using the same shade as my face color. I'm applying on the areas where I just feel I have some problematic areas, and I'm applying on my forehead too, because my forehead is getting discolorating nowadays. As I'm using my fingers only, so that my beauty blender don't soak my product, and fingers give more coverage, because अगर beauty blender हमारा correcting shade ही खत्म कर देगा, then there is no need to apply this. I'm just dabbing my product. I'm not dragging it कि मेरा जौन सा भी कलर करेक्टिंग वाला पार्ट है उस पर ही लगे. Now I'm using the beauty blender. Okay, बस बिल्कुल हल्का हल्का डैप करना है. ये ना हो आप बिल्कुल ही प्रोडक्ट को सोक कर लो. बिल्कुल हल्का हल्का डैप करना है, just once. So I'm done with my color correcting. Now it's time to apply the foundation. If you are like a dry skin people, then try to use the hydrating products. Okay, now now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the number 230. It's a 230 shade. I don't know, I'm just loving this one a lot. I'm just dabbing my foundation and just using windshield, half windshield movement. This is the point. I don't like to just fill my brows पहले ही, just taking little bit downwards कि ज़्यादा भी इफेक्ट ना लगे अलग वाला कि यहाँ पर ही ख़त्म हो गया. थोड़ा सा I'm taking downward. Now using a beauty blender and हल्का हल्का tapping it. And for my concealer, I'm using this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the number medium to ginger. It is somehow a hydrating concealer. मतलब it is a full coverage, like medium to full coverage, but it is a hydrating concealer. ये नहीं होता कि आपकी अंडर आइज बिल्कुल ही ड्राई कर देता है. Applying on my T-zone area. And I'm using the beauty blender only. And I'm using this Krylon FS38. I always use this just around my mouth because I have some um, dark skin, and only I don't know, only this height, matlab this concealer hides those. So now for setting my base, I'm using this Maybelline loose powder, the number 15 light, so that oily skin people can have the cream contour, cream blush. um, मतलब ड्राई स्किन पीपल कैन हैव, बट इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा वर्क नहीं करता है बिकॉज लेयरिंग हो जाती है, मतलब क्रीम प्रोडक्ट के बाद उसको लॉक भी करना होता है. आई हैव जस्ट अप्लाइड द पाउडर, वेयर आई हैव जस्ट अप्लाइड द concealer, and for my contour I'm using the same Forever 52 palette. So today I have just done, my forehead, and my forehead is looking somehow bald type of thing. So I'm just, contouring somehow to avoid that. Now I will just remove my powder from my face because I don't want कि मेरा base बिल्कुल ही ड्राई लगे, एंड ये ना हो कि आप जब तक अपनी आईज भी कर लो, आपका बेस भी कर लो, मतलब अपना रेस्ट ऑफ द बेस कंप्लीट भी कर लो, तब तक आपकी मतलब तब तक आपका पाउडर लगा रहे. दैट विल जस्ट मेक योर बेस मोर केकी, मतलब मोर ड्रायर, जितना भी आपने अच्छा क्यों ना किया. नाउ आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस मैक NC35 to lock my face. Now I'm using this Tarte blusher. If you are chubby person, then try to apply your blusher on the upper side like this way. Okay, if you are like skinny, then concentrate on the apple of the cheeks. But if you are like a chubby like me, just take it upwards. So guys, here is the one tip, like if you are textured skin people, then try to apply the highlighter just on the bone, not on the skin, like यहाँ तक नहीं, only on the बिल्कुल हाई पॉइंट्स पे, कि आपकी टेक्सचर्ड स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा फ्लरिश्ड ना हो, आपके जो पोर्स हो, जो टेक्सचर्ड हो, वो इतना ज़्यादा फ्लरिश्ड ना हो. Now the step which I am going to do is very mandatory for the dry skin people, and that is to just set your face with the mist. Now I am using this Morphe setting mist. You can either use the rose water if you don't have these type of mist. This will just make sure कि कोई भी ड्राइनेस आपके फेस पर ना रहे और कोई भी पाउडर हो वो ड्राई ना दिखे. Now you can see that my face is looking flawless. This is only because I have done the proper prep. I have used the proper technique to apply the base. So I will be right back after doing my eyes. So guys, you can see that I have done with my eyes, and I have done something like creative. And now I have to do my lips, and I'm using this Nykaa lip liner. I'm just overlining and I'm just lining my lips. So you can see that as I have just moisturized my lips too, and it is very easy, and my like lip liner is gliding on my lips. If I don't apply the lip moisturizer, then it will be very difficult to apply any lip liner or lipstick. I'm using this Maybelline one in the number 06. It is a beautiful shade, like a pink nude shade. And now I'm taking the mist once again and just applying, covering my eyes. So guys, this is for my today's video, and the conclusion, like main points of this video, like the dry skin people, is that first, prep your skin very well, then lock that prep very well. Don't overbake, okay? Don't use cream products on your face. These are like the 4 things you need to follow in your makeup. Like a dry skin people have to follow these 4 steps. And this is for my today's video, and I just hope that I help you out. If you guys want to see these type of videos more, then guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.